How to see your watch history on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings in TikTok and find your watch history. So if you're trying to see a list of all the videos you've watched on TikTok, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone and then select your profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, we need to open up the menu, and we do that by selecting the three horizontal lines in the top right of the app. When the menu opens, select Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Now that we're in Settings and Privacy, scroll down under Content and Display, and you'll see Comment and Watch History. Select that. Once in here, select Watch History. And then now we'll see a history of all the different videos we have watched on TikTok. You can select them to quickly view any of those, but if you want to delete any of these from your watch history, you can simply select Select in the top right, and then select individual videos to delete by selecting Delete in the bottom right. Once you choose Select in the top right, you can also select All Watch History in the bottom left, and then delete your entire watch history. And that's what I'm going to do. So if you want to do that, select Delete. Confirm you want to delete your watch history by selecting Delete one more time, and then there you go. Your watch history has been deleted. All right, so that's how you find and delete your watch history on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.